Everywhere's getting used to dump grain now. Having to keep it all separate. We've got bales and concrete panel in the back there. A concrete panel in there as well. Just to try and get a bit more storage. It's a nightmare of a season. We're just having to keep a hold of all our molten barley until we find out what the scenario is. So I'll show you around at the other end as well. We've got a pig in full too. We're needing these 2 sheds finished, but we'll just have to wait patiently till next year and then we'll be sorted hopefully for room. Not seen these girls for a wee while. Just a wee video of them. Some of them are putting on a fair bit of shape. Just giving them a wee bit of feeding just to keep them. A wee bit of Jip Rock Pro Mix. Just gives them filler and finishing compound. Works really good. Nah, just a bit of sheep food. Lets me count them easily. But no, they're all looking good. The neighbours, you're maybe hearing the sound of it in the background. The neighbours are on the combining. And we're away to start our wheat again. So I'm needing to get in with the topper and top a bit of this. What would you say? Old grass off the top. There's still plenty of lush stuff in below here, but it was left to kind of go a bit sprouted before they were in, so it could do with just a top probably. Once I get this wheat combined, I'll be able to get them in and get them all checked out, because some of them are just beginning to need weaned. They're all just beginning to look good, dried off fine, and then we'll get some away fat hopefully. Alright, away back, check the dryer, see what everything's happening there, and then away home for some tea. How do you get all the fun jobs? Getting the government juice put into the combine. Another cracking day. Hopefully get going with some wheat again today. We'll get a wee video of that. To slow down even more, down to 1.2 mile an hour. Up there! What we're doing, Ross?
I'm on the recovery today because my mate has phoned me saying his quad's broken down and his sheep are all running about the river. So I've had to come down with my dog.
Did you bring your sheepdog with
I've
you?
got my dog with me.
Oh aye.
Here's Shep.
Shep the sheepdog.
Shep the sheep. Oh yeah, who are you? Oh yeah, who are you?
What, does he bite?
Right, only if you annoy him.
Farming for fun, sheep better. Keep that on it. Here you'll see a couple of pictures of the pulley that broke down on our 660 Lexion Combine today. I think it's been a bad manufactured part again, in my opinion. If you can look at the rust marks around the cracks. It was in behind the toolbox here. Luckily Claas have designed it well that you can swing the toolbox out to the side to access it. It's that one there in the middle. Had to take a couple of brackets off and panels, so cleaned it up in the workshop and given it a good grind out and then a weld up. Willie did a good job there because we couldn't get a part. It's about 300 quid for that pulley and we couldn't get it. Here it is welded. Yeah. Ross, your friends are out again. I do not know where they're getting through. I do now, and I've fixed it. Me and Williams put sheet net all the way along that fence line.